everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we are making a special seafood pickled recipe. This goes really well with white rice, plain rice or any type of rotis. So let's see how to make this fish pickle. For this recipe I have used around 250 grams of swordfish and cut that into cubes like this. Now add in some salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder and mix it really well and keep it aside for 2 hours. After that, heat some vegetable oil in a pan and fry all the marinated fish pieces. As we're gonna store this pickle for a longer period, you have to fry the fish really well. Once it is fried, keep it aside. Now into another pan, heat some sesame oil. You can also use mustard oil. Add in some mustard seeds. First time I have tried in mustard oil and it tastes really superb. Add in some fenugreek seeds, curry leaves and whole red chilies. Saute it for a couple of seconds. Then add in ginger and garlic. Saute it and you have to fry it till all the water content is gone. It will take a couple of minutes. In between, add in asafoetida. I never use the powdered asafoetida. Instead, I buy the bar, then fry it in oil and make it into a powder, which has more flavor than the powdered one. Now our ginger and garlic is also fried well. Now add in turmeric powder and saute it for a couple of seconds. Add in red chili powder, saute it again. Now you have to add in vinegar. You can use white vinegar. Here I have used natural coconut vinegar. Now add in all the fried fish pieces and mix it really well. And you have to cook this for a couple of minutes until all the fish pieces are well coated and absorbed all the masalas in it. Check the salt and add more salt if required. As it is a pickle, it needs more quantity of salt and oil than the regular fish recipes. Now our fish pickle is ready. This fish pickle starts to taste really delicious only after 24 hours. You can store this fish pickle outside for 2-3 days until all the fish has absorbed the masalas and salt. Then you can transfer it to the refrigerator, as we have not added any preservatives in this pickle. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.